Hello guys, this is a continuation of the Umuokpara Ring Road, and this is Ogbo Dinibe. As you can see, the construction of the drainage is ongoing, and they are constructing it, taking it down. Like we are heading to Ehume in Umuokpara right now. Those of you that are from Ehume, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. I think Ehume in Umuokpara. So those of you that are from there, you want to see how your village is in 2025, you can watch this video down to the end. And those of you that want to see where this ring road starts from on the Abiatowa stroke Onimo road, kindly watch this video down to the end so I can show you where the ring road started from, or where it starts from in Umuokpara, Umuahia. So like I said, this video is a continuation of the previous video that I posted. So if you are watching the previous video and you are wondering like, okay, I didn't see the end, and so this particular video right now is going to show you what you are expecting to see, like where the roads starts from. So you can see how the drainage is constructed. You will see the concrete, you see the iron rods, and you see the strong planks that they use to make or to construct this drainage. And it's a double-sided drainage, not just one. They don't do management for here at all. So the drainage is on both sides of the road. This drainage is going to it's not going to allow for room for flooding. With the two side drainages, like if it rains, it can easily flow, whether it's into the stream or into the river, and there will be nothing like flood. So from this road I'm flying through right now, you may be thinking that there are no houses around, but if we keep going down, we are going to come out to an area where you see a lot of houses. Like, I'm even shocked with the type of beautiful mansions that I saw in Ehume. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Is it Ehume or Ehume? I don't know. But we saw beautiful houses, in the village that we are going to be seeing soon. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. So as you can see, what is going on here is that you can see the tipper right there. I think it's maybe offloading something, maybe sand or stone, or is packing. I don't really know, but we are going to cross this area now. I think this area is actually a kind of swampy. You'll be seeing swamps around, like, well, I don't know. So we are going to cross this place that looks like it's a bridge, and as you can see, like I said, I told you there are houses ahead, and here you'll be seeing street light. This street light was I think installed by NDDC. I think it's an NDDC project to lit up Umuokpara, not just Umuokpara. If you go to a lot of places in Abia State, you'll be seeing this particular street light, solar powered. The road here is actually small. It's actually small, but the ring road is going to pass through this area that you see me driving, right now. The ring road is still going to pass through this area. Maybe work hasn't gotten to this section of the road, but it's still going to get here. So just watch the video down to the end and see for yourself where the ring road started from. So you see, now here where the ring road starts. Thanks for watching this video.